Move the part to the right place. Keep up the good work. Now we need to fill it. Timber loader. Choose the refueling gun of the same color as the tank cap. Look at the indicator. It shows how much fuel there is in the machine. Try it on your own. Pump. Don't stop. Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Tap the screen to keep building. Go on. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. Let's shift into gear to start moving. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Pull the lever up for the vehicle to move. Choose the next game. Tap on the car wash to wash the vehicle. Let's wash. Timber loader. Let's start foaming the machine. Now it's your turn. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Drag a vehicle to its silhouette. Hooray! Help the car make its way. Let's tap on the object to remove it from the road. Tap on the objects one by one. You're doing really great. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. Let's fix the rusting. Move the tool to clean the stain. Go on. Let's paint over the discolorations. Done! We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Ready. We need to assemble. Bulldozer. That's all. It's time to fuel. Bulldozer. Amazing! Thing for the digging machine. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The light is red. Let's stop in front of an intersection. Choose the next game. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Hooray! You're doing really great.